this place is bad. You see rubble, you see incomplete buildings, you see poor sanitation conditions. It is like nothing I have ever seen before.
Not enough, according to what Haitians tell me, has been done with that money. The big question is, why haven't we seen the massive dollars and euros that poured into Haiti?
In Haiti, we only have two classes. It's about the elite and the poor. That's the struggle that we're facing nowadays in Haiti. And I think it's time to change that.
That's why I'm saying every day, if people want to have Haiti, don't give that money to the big time Haitian people. Because they're going to steal it. We're not going to get nothing. If we fought those people, Haiti would never be better. Would never be better.
70,000 teachers in Haiti, but they've only been educated as teachers to second grade, so the teachers themselves have not been properly trained.
In a way, with the larger organizations, there's also the issues of money coming in and how is it actually being implemented on the ground. They don't really know how their funds are being used, whether it's $50 or $5,000.
A business is called poverty. It's a system, and the system is installed, and the system is a business. Poverty became a business, and if it's the basis of your job-creating system, it just doesn't work.
Fast or slow, just soft and low. The same as when you tell me how you feel. Tell me how you feel.